as I was saying, you could use that to your advantage because even though SEO has been around for give or take maybe 15 years at the most, it's kind of still a new phenomenon. It's not really utilized by a lot of companies. I only really see major companies with large marketing budgets and that are actually using SEO to their advantages. So if you're not in the internet marketing industry and you're trying to get your website ranked, it's actually pretty easy because if you analyze a big fish in your industry, you could actually copy their marketing strategy because they've done all the legwork, they've done all the competitive analysis, they've gathered all the keywords that's working, and you can use that information to your benefit. Another super sunny. Another major strategy that you can implement is utilizing Google My Business. Boy, did I really not take advantage of Google My Business, and come to find out, it is like a major factor, major ranking factor to get your business indexed faster and also ranked really fast. Another hack that a lot of people kind of don't take advantage of is local, like really going local, and I mean like going into all the local directories, like local chamber of commerce, and try to get as many backlinks through that, or through local community forums. Man, there's a whole lot you could do utilizing that avenue. So I will probably start making videos on that and start talking about those individually. But if you wanted to rank your website really fast, implement those 3 strategies. Like I said, first I said analyze your competition and look at all the keywords that they're using, and then take advantage of Google My Business, and then exploring your local directories. Those 3 avenues. You take those seriously, I guarantee you within 30 to 60 days you'll be on page number 1. But like I said, it just it depends, how much work you put in, and if you actually know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you can hire us. We help our clients all the time. We're the best in the game. We got the best in SEO, the best WordPress web design master on earth. So you can hire us. If not, just wait for our videos and I will teach you how to do it. All right.